Hello everyone. So yesterday I had put a question before you. What is the difference between a degree, grad and a radian? Okay. So today I am going to answer this question for those who don't know. So first of all, these three terms are used to measure an angle. This is a measurement of angles. This degree is generally we use to measure an angle, but we less use this grade. This grade is only used in some surveying and engineering applications, but most of the time we use degree as a measurement of angle. So first of all, we will understand what is an angle. If we move a ray, this is a ray, if we move a ray anti-clockwise or clockwise direction, it subtends an angle at this point from where it is originated. So to measure this angle, how much this has been extended, this ray has been extended towards anti-clockwise or clockwise, the measurement of this angle is generally taken as degree, in the measurement of degree. Okay. So when we are moving anti-clockwise, this angle is a positive angle, and whenever this ray moves clockwise direction, this angle is a negative angle. Okay. Now we will go for these terms, from where these terms have arrived. This degree term has been taken from sexagesimal system. What is this sexagesimal system is? This system is originated in our ancient time in Babylonia, which is known as Mesopotamia, about 4,000 years ago. Okay. This system is originated from there. This system is based on number 60. That means they say that a full angle subtended on a point is of 360 degree, and when we break this 360 into 360 parts, then one of its part, which is 1 degree, is equals to 60 minutes. Understood? According to sexagesimal system, which is originated from Babylonia, Mesopotamia, about 4,000 years ago, according to them, the angle on a point is of 360 degree, which is a full circle angle. And when we break this 360 into 360 equal parts, then each part is of 1 degree, and this 1 degree is equals to, and when we divide this 1 degree into 60 equal parts, okay, this 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and again if we divide this 60 minutes into 60 parts, then each part is equal to 60 seconds. Understood? So this one part of 360, which is 1 over 360, is known as 1 degree. Okay. Why they had used this 60 as a base? Because the 60 has many factors. Okay. 60 has so many factors which make the calculation easier. Got it? So they had used 60 as base because it is easier for the calculations. You have so many factors like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20 and 30. These are the factors of 60, which makes the calculation very easy. So they used 60 as base. So this is about degree, which has come from sexagesimal system. Now we will move on to the term grad. From where this grade has come? Grad has come from centesimal system. What this system says is, first of all, we can understand from where this has arrived. The centesimal system has been developed during French Revolution as part of metric system. This is the history of this term. This system is based on number 100. Sexagesimal system is based on 60, whereas centesimal system is based on number 100. According to them, a full circle is of 400 grad. Okay. When a full circle is of 400 grad, its right angle would be of 100 grad, because the circle will be divided into 4 equal parts to make it right angle. Okay. So each right angle will be of 100, because if we divide 400 into 4 parts, then each part will have a measurement of 100 grads. Okay. Now when each part is of 100 grad, and if we divide this 400 grad to 400 parts, okay, so one single part, the first part, which is 1 out of 400, that is known as 1 grad. Got it? If the angle, a full circle angle, is of 400 grad, and we divide this 400 into 400 equal parts, so one of the first part, or one of the part, will be 1 out of 400. So that is equals to 1 grad. One right angle of this would be 100 grad. And further, if we divide this 1 grad into 100 parts, 1 grad, if we divide 1 grad into 100 parts, then this 1 grad is equals, first of all we understand 1 grad is equals to 100 centesimal minutes. Okay, and further if we divide this 1 grad into equal 100 parts, then 1 centesimal minutes will be equal to 100 centesimal seconds. Got it? Okay, I will make you understand again. This is not erasing. Understand again. This whole angle, which is subtended on a point, is of 400 grad. If we divide this in 400 equal parts, then one of its part is known as 1 grad. Okay. Now, if we divide this 1 grad into 100 equal parts, then one of its part, the smallest part, is equals to 100 centesimal minutes. Got it? This 1 grad is further divided into 100 parts. So this one part, which is this is one of the part of 1 grad, that will be equal to 1 centesimal minutes, and 1 centesimal minutes, if we further divide this minute into 100 part, then each part will be equal to 100 centesimal seconds. In this way we calculate any angle in grad. Now we will talk about radian. What is radian? Suppose this is a circle with center O and this is an arc. If we draw a circle where the radius is equal to the measurement of arc, then the angle subtended at the center is 1 radian. That is radian. Okay, so the condition is the length of arc and the length of radius should be equal. So angle subtended by an arc of length equal to the radius of circle at its center is said to have a measure of 1 radian. So this is our radian. Okay. Now again we will revise this. I hope you have understood. Okay, so first we will take what is degree. A full circle is of 360 degree. Okay, if we divide this 360 into 360 equal parts, then one of its part will make an angle of 1 degree. Now this degree, 1 degree, is divided into 60 equal parts. Okay, 60 parts. So one of its part would be equal to 60 minutes, or we can represent it like this, 60 minutes. Further, if we divide this 60 minute into 60 equal parts, then one of its part will be equal to 60 seconds. And the right angle here would be of 90 degree, because the whole angle is 360, and if we make 4 equal parts of this 360, then each angle would be of 90 degree. So in case of degree, the right angle measurement is always 90 degree. Okay. In case of grad, this whole angle is of 400 grad. If we divide this total value of 400 grad into 400 parts, then one of its part will represent 1 grad. Okay. Further, this 1 grad, if we divide this 1 grad into 100 equal parts, then one of its part will represent 1 minute. So 100 grads would be equal to how much? 1 minute. And this 1 minute is again divided into 100 equal parts. Then 1 minute will equal to 100 centesimal seconds. Here our right angle would be of 100 grad. Why? Because if we divide this 400 into 4 equal parts, then each of the value of the angle would be of 100 grads. Now moving to radian. What is radian? An angle subtended by an arc of length equal to the length of radius at the center of circle is said to have a measurement of 1 radian. We represent this 1 radian as 1 small c. Okay, so this is the denotion of, or it is denoted with this sign. So I hope you have understood the difference between degree, grad and radian. So I will again throw some more questions in our next session and will explain that also. But first of all, you all go through these 3 terms again, and if you have something else related to this, then come up with the topic again. Thank you so much. Bye for today.